and welcome to this tutorial on option and future trading. In this session, we will be discussing the basics of options and futures trading and how it can help you make informed investment decisions. What is option trading? Option trading is a type of trading where an investor has the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price within a certain time frame. This underlying asset could be a stock, commodity, or any other financial instrument. There are two types of options. Call option. A call option gives the holder the right to buy an underlying asset at a specified price within a certain time frame. Put option. A put option gives the holder the right to sell an underlying asset at a specified price within a certain time frame. Options can be traded on various exchanges, and the prices of these options are determined by the market demand and supply. Options trading is a high-risk, high-reward strategy and should only be undertaken after thorough research and analysis. What is future trading? Future trading is a type of trading where two parties agree to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price at a future date. Unlike options, futures are binding contracts, which means that both parties are obligated to fulfill the contract at the agreed upon price and date. Futures trading is used to hedge against future price movements of an underlying asset. For example, if a farmer expects the price of corn to decrease in the future, he can sell corn futures contracts to lock in a price for his crop. On the other hand, if a manufacturer expects the price of steel to increase, they can buy steel futures contracts to lock in a price for their raw material. Futures trading is also used for speculation, where traders take positions on the future price movements of an underlying asset to profit from market fluctuations. Conclusion. Option and future trading are powerful tools in the hands of informed investors. It is important to understand the risks involved and to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. It is also advisable to consult a financial advisor before undertaking any trading activity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on option and future trading.